Hello friends, welcome to Hello English. My name is Rupam and I welcome you all to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you one technique which will help you to start learning English in a very easy way. Believe me, this technique which I'm going to share with you, it is a very easy technique and many people they follow this technique. You will benefit for sure. This will help you to improve your English. Secondly, I will tell you the power of listening. How just by listening you can improve your English skill. And at the end, I'm going to share with you one listening exercise. This exercise will help you in such a way that you will start thinking in English. No doubt your listening will improve a lot. So please watch this video till the end. So before I start, a small request. If you like this video, please do subscribe. So the technique which I'm going to tell you is called mimic or copying someone. So how to do this? It's very easy. You just have to follow someone or copy someone. But it cannot be any random person. A person who is very good in English and you admire. You feel that I want to speak like him, I want to speak like her. Follow that person. Let me tell you one example which I faced in real life. When I was studying in class 9, there was a teacher who used to stay nearby my house. In many videos I told you that I never spoke in English. Though I studied in English medium school, I never spoke in English. So when I saw this teacher, I became a big fan of him. You will not believe, he used to speak English so clear, so fluent, and the biggest thing was his confidence level. Immediately I went home and I told my father that I met an English teacher who is so good in English. My father said, if you want, you can go for private classes or tuitions. I immediately started going for classes. Every day, whatever he used to teach me, I used to come back home and mimic him or copy him. His expression, the way he used to teach, I used to love that. Believe me, within a month, just by copying him, my English improved very much. It improved a lot. So I told him one day, sir, just by copying you, I've improved my English a lot. May I ask you one question? He said, yes. I said, who do you follow? Who do you admire? Because you speak English so well. Teacher said, yes, I follow APJ Abdul Kalam. I always listen to his speech. From the very next day, I started listening to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's speech. A great scientist, a great president of India. So, I'm just giving you an example. What you can do is that you can choose someone who speaks English very well and you want to speak like him or her. Try to copy, try to interact, try to understand from where he or she has learned English. And you follow that path. It will help you a lot to improve your English. Let's move on to the next part. How listening, just by listening, can help you to improve your English. Before that, I remember few days back I got a message from one of my subscribers. He asked me, sir, I have started learning English and I want to know which mobile application is good to learn English. Well, there are many applications, my dear friend. However, today let me talk about this one particular app which is called TalkMe. If you are facing problem to learn English, if you are shy, if you are not confident, if you feel that I don't have anyone to speak English with, this app can help you. This app can help you to build your confidence. This application has been developed based on the world's most advanced AI language model. AI means artificial intelligence. And this AI partner, it can be accessed with different accents. Also, there are 100 plus daily topics for role play with your AI partners. You can practice these topics for real life conversations. Let me show you how you can download this app in your mobile. You can go to the internet and just type talkme.ai. Okay, you will get the interface. This is how it looks. If you don't have it in your mobile, if you're a first time user, you can download this app. Just follow the process and you will be able to download it without any problem. Okay, just get started. Which language you want to learn and what is your native language? For me it is English.
I'm so happy to see you.
See, here you go. You can start talking.
Hey, Rupam. How's your day going? Anything interesting happening?
Wow, that's wonderful. It got my name. Well, I don't like watching movies. What about you?
Oh, really? That's interesting. I actually enjoy watching movies. Do you have any other hobbies you'd like to share?
Got it, my dear friend? You can improve your vocabulary, you can improve your grammar by using these applications. Let's move on to the next part, which is the power of listening. Let me tell you a small story. There were two brothers. The elder brother used to attend tuitions, private classes. Every day, a teacher used to come and teach the elder brother. The younger brother, he used to hide under the bed and listen whatever his elder brother was learning. Most of the time, the teacher used to teach how to write poems, share different poetries with him. Younger brother, he used to sit under the bed and used to listen. Days went by. After 1 year, everyone was shocked, everyone was surprised when this younger brother started reciting all the poems which was taught to his elder brother. So the parents asked him, "From where did you learn this?" He said that, "I used to listen very carefully. I used to sit under the bed and listen whatever my brother was learning. This is how I learned all the poems." This is a story of a great poet of India, Kalidasa. Now understood, my dear friend, the power of listening. You can develop your listening. Listen to whatever you come across. Every day make a habit of listening for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, whatever you like. Now, when you log into Google, just type listening exercise with audio. You get this website, agentweb.org. Just click here. Okay, now you find so many activities. See here. Just click on the first one. Let me show you how you can do this. Okay, let's click the first one. Here the question comes. Question for reading story number 1. You need to answer all this. Listen very carefully first.
My name is Scott. I am 7 years old. I have 2 pens, 3 pencils, and 1 ruler. I am sitting on my chair in my classroom. There is a book on my desk.
So you understood, right? Whatever she said. Now you have to answer the questions. How good is your listening? You can understand by answering the questions. The first question. How old was Scott? I think 7. Wow, got it. Next. How many pencils does he have? Oh, sorry. 3. Correct. Third question. Does he have 2 rulers? No. Yes, correct. Where is Scott? In his classroom. Got it. Finally, where is the book? In the desk. Correct. So you can listen and you can answer the questions. There are advanced level, intermediate levels also. I develop my English this way. Got it, my dear friends? So if you have any question regarding this, you can always ask me. Till the next video, thank you so much.